childhood education is very important because it strengthens the formative years of our children. Unfortunately, only 35% of our 3 to 4 years old are actually going to our daycare centers. It's out of the 42,000 barangays in the country. 5,800 are without child development centers and daycare centers. 25% of our daycare teachers or child development teachers did not finish college or did not finish high school. And because of the nature of our daycare centers in the past, not a lot of focus and professionalization went into our early childhood education. As a response to this problem, we enacted what we call the ECCD system law. Is a reform to how we deliver early childhood care and development in our localities. So the main focus of this law is to give the responsibilities to our local government units to deliver early childhood education. As a former mayor, we really need to put this responsibility in the hands of our mayors because they're on the ground. They can locate all of our children, they can locate all of our parents, and we need to mobilize them in order to educate children aged 3 to 4 years old.